So this is a prelim practice hyperlinks. Now then, let's look at this slide of one of the PowerPoint slides we looked at. A local link, an internal hyperlink links to a page within the same website, and so it is specified as a relative URL. Now, how do we tell this? Because if the URL, if the web address does not have https / all the W's, then it is relative. If it does have them, then it is absolute, as we can see here. Absolute references, ahref, https / and it's got all the W's and the web address. Same with the Google address underneath, it's got all the HTTPS, all the W's. So that is an absolute. Remember, an absolute address gives you the whole path to the file. But these ones underneath are relative addresses. They assume that you're on the website you want to be on. And ahref equals HTML images or CSS default. So these are relative. It's not the whole path, and it assumes you want to stay in that website and go to another page. Absolute relative. Now, as it says here, pause the video and identify the absolute and relative hyperlinks below. The answers are on the next slide. Hope you managed to get them right. If not, go over it again. Now then, looking at this here, asking you to pause the video and write how each of the hyperlinks would appear on a web page. Answers on the next slide. Hope you managed to get it right. If not, revisit it. Pause the video, write out how the paragraph below will appear on a page. Take your time, write it out and check it on the next slide. There we are. Hopefully you've got something like that. There's two spaces between the text because there's BR line breaks.